Are you ready for a fun thing to bring to a picnic? Well, I got one. It's dill pickle pasta salad. Just the sound of it makes me want to dance. We need to start by boiling 3 cups of pasta. The recipe calls for shells, but I have this bow tie pasta I'm going to use. The noodles are cooked. I've drained them. I've cooled them. I've drained them again. Now I'm going to add a half a cup of pickle juice. I'm going to just put it in there, and I'm going to toss it in the pickle juice, all those noodles. While that's marinating, grab a bowl. 2/3 cup mayonnaise. 1/3 cup of sour cream. A shake of cayenne pepper. A few shakes of dill weed. Salt. Pepper. 4 tablespoons of pickle juice. Combine and mix well. I drained the pickle juice from the pasta. I'm just going to add it to that dressing. 2/3 cup diced cheddar cheese, some diced white onion, and 3/4 cup of sliced pickles. Give it a good toss. Then I'm just going to let it chill in the refrigerator for about an hour. Here it is. Let's try it. Whoa. It is awesome. It definitely sings pickle, that is for sure. It is amazing. I love the taste of this pickle.
What? Did you say pickle?
Mr. Pickle, you taste great.
But you really need to cut back on the pickles, Jim.
You're so fresh.
And I think you're a special guy, too.
Thanks, Mr. Pickle, and thanks to you for watching.
What's a pickle's favorite pickup line?
What?
I'm kind of a big Dill.